I'm Scotland Hazley, President of Animal Rescue Corps. The team and I are here on the ground in Luray, Virginia on a puppy mill. We've got approximately somewhere between 125 to 150 dogs on this property. We started at 5 a.m. this morning, lots of setup, lots of planning, working with the Virginia State Veterinarian, local Sheriff's Department. We've got a lot of great rescue groups locally that we've pulled in to support our efforts. Temperatures exceed 90 degrees, humidity is about 90%. It is hot. These animals have been suffering for a long time, and we are going to spend every second of this day getting 100% of these dogs off the property into our emergency shelter, where our veterinarians will be treating them and they'll be cared for. So these are the conditions we've been finding out here today. I'd say about 30% of the dogs look like this guy. 100% of his body is extremely matted. One of his eyes is completely sealed shut. I mean, this dog didn't turn out like this overnight. It's taken a while for this to happen, and you know, people did this to this dog. People are responsible for the abuses and the neglect that we've been finding out here. Well, hello there. Well, hello there. Where is he? He's alive.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to need an emergency transport.
Don't worry about this one. Yeah, he looks well.
Well, we're recovering from a rather dramatic moment. We just identified a dog that was critical. And when we found him, he actually looked like he was in his cage dead, but he's still breathing, but he is critical. What's his temperature?
98.9.
Well, that's not compatible with life, is it?
No, nothing about him is actually compatible. He needs to go now.
That he's in real trouble. So we've rushed him to the emergency clinic, which is about 15 minutes away. And I just hope he makes it there. I mean, he's in really bad shape.
The older male dog is the one that's really just in major trouble. His kidneys are functioning, it appears on the blood work, and his liver is functioning, appears on the blood work. So we are ready to transfuse him if you want to go at that length.
Yeah, absolutely. Money. Let's not be concerned about the expense. We're in the life-saving business. Well, let's see what your prognosis is after you stabilize him, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds great.
She thinks we could save him through a blood transfusion. Hello, guys. Hi. It's been a very long day, a very long, hot day. We started at 6 a.m. It's roughly 6 p.m. now. It's been a long, hot, exhausting day, but we've got nothing to complain about. These dogs have been living in this hell their entire existence, but we are not leaving until 100% of these dogs get off the property. Today is July 3rd, tomorrow is Independence Day, but Independence Day came a day early for these dogs. Animal Rescue Corps was founded for one simple reason, to empty cages, and that's what we've done today, another puppy mill empty.
Well, we've rechecked every hutch, every dog house. It's a wrap. This place is empty.
It's been an amazing day of ending suffering. We're exhausted. We've been up for nearly 20 hours now. We've just got 132 dogs and 4 birds off that property. They're now here at our emergency shelter. us, and now we will be able to fulfill our commitment to these animals and getting them into permanent loving homes, and finally, for the first time ever, to have the opportunity to live as dogs they never had the opportunity to be.